Temperatures dip to dangerously cold levels tonight. Meteorologist Andy Provenzano joins us now with more on what we can expect. Andy?
Sarah, do you know that fence post when you first pull in the driveway, that metal one?
In my house or
No, in here at work.
Oh, at work? I'm like, how do you know what's going on in my house, Andy?
I have no idea.
We have things to discuss here.
There's the one at work.
Yes, the one at work, yes.
I double dog dare you after work, just like the movie.
No, not going to do it.
I wouldn't either. It's very, very cold out there. And the wind chills are a big problem too. They are already about 10 to 15 below zero while the air temperature still is above, and they're all falling. We have yet to see the coldest weather move in. That comes in tonight and tomorrow right out of central Canada. That started up at the North Pole just a few days ago. So we do have that, still have the wind chill warning for Eden Ingham counties northward, and then you got the advisory south. We're talking about a difference of maybe the wind chill being as cold as minus 29 or 30 in the Lansing area northward, and maybe minus 20 to 24. All of that dangerously cold. You wouldn't want to be broken down without the proper gear or the kids' school buses, things like that. Not a good thing. Snow showers are more confined now to the lakeshore, and as winds become a little more northerly, they'll pretty much hug the lakeshore through the morning hours. But traveling along I-94 and the southern end of the lake will be tough in the morning hours. We've got clear skies now, and that just allows temperatures to free fall. It's 1 in Ithaca, 3 in Lansing, 2 in Jackson, and those wind chills, they just keep falling too. The winds are going to be between 5 and 15 all night. Doesn't sound like much, but you add that to a temperature of minus 10, and it easily goes colder than minus 20. And you see it's 14 below now in Jackson and Howell, and we've gotten kind of used to these numbers, but really some of our colder winters, you get those wind chills at minus 15, minus 20. That's sometimes as cold as they get, but not tonight. They're going to get way down there. We had highs, if you want to call them that, but it does look good at this point. 13 in Lansing, 15 in Jackson. That was a little after lunch hour, but look at all the cold air. Marquette is at minus 15. Yes, that cold air I talked about is yet to center over the top of us. Obviously, it's going to moderate as it comes over Lake Michigan, but still, inland areas are going to get mighty cold because of that dense cold air that comes in. Now, the lake effect snow showers pretty strong up near Munising. They had to close down M28 again because of whiteout conditions, and the snow is pretty heavy on the west side of the state, especially in Allegan County, but that's about it. There's not much more going on except for the fact that the cold weather now has reached all the way into Florida. They're expecting a hard freeze in those key areas, those orchard orange crops across central Florida, and frost warnings and advisories stretch all across the eastern half of the nation. Even Fort Myers and Naples have a wind chill advisory tonight. So it's pretty cold air except the west coast. Here's out the forecast model. Keeps the snow showers near the lake. We've got mostly clear skies. Tomorrow we'll see a few clouds here and there, but still lots of sunshine. But that north flow keeps temperatures at best tomorrow about 4 or 5 degrees. So our wind chills stay near minus 18 or 20 all afternoon long. And again, clear and cold Friday morning down to about minus 15 or 16 with wind chills still very, very cold. Then the next system moves in. That cloud cover will help our temperatures go back up a little bit on Friday and Saturday. The cold air will rotate back to the north to come down again next week. So minus 10 is your temperature, but your wind chills tonight on the average about minus 25 across the region by morning. 1-800-Hanson's weather kit is Sabrina, age 6 out of Lansing. Bundle up, Sabrina. Mostly sunny, windy, and cold. The average wind chill tomorrow afternoon only gets up to about minus 18. Cold on Friday in the morning. We'll warm up to 29 on Saturday with some light snow that comes in early. And then temperatures next week is just more of the same, and it is a broken record around here for a couple more weeks yet.